Alright, this just goes okay. Here we go. This should just slide right out. If it's not locked in somehow. Let's be sure to do a good job of keeping it in the packaging. There's one. There's two. Looks like I need to get a sharper knife. Yeah, the blaster itself is out. The mags go there. Looks like there's a lock mechanism or something in here. Now, let's pull out this. There's the darts. Take your drum mag and get rid of those darts. Here we go. Little crappy little piece which I have to hold the mag against stupidly. Not hard for that for mag. Or drum. What everyone calls this neat little invention by Busby. There we go. That's out. Now, these things just pop out. There we go. Now just load the darts up. For best results, they say push it all the way down. So that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to load up that for now. And then these look to be about the same, the exact same. So we say load the back one first, then load the front one, and then just push it till you get clicking. It looks like I stupidly did this, so just easy pop out like that. Make sure yours is facing the front to avoid any accidental idiocy like I just had. There. These things are not full in. And it looks like my trigger's stuck. So we'll come back to you once we figure out the trigger problem.